Hello everyone. So recently, on browsing through different social media networks, different online and offline platforms, I came across a news that in Bakswahad forest of Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, an estimated 2,15,875 trees are going to be cut just to extract 3.42 crore carats of diamond, which is present in the area. So let's have a view on the matter. From the last 4 centuries, in the mountains of Vindhya, mining was conducted in the Panna region. In 2002 to 2005, an Australian firm named Rio Tinto initially explored the project. They conducted a survey and discovered the latest mines in the Bakswahar forest. They told that an estimated 3.2 crore carats of diamond are present beneath the Bakswahar forest. But due to many reasons, Rio Tinto stopped its operation and went back to Australia. In 2019, after more than a decade, government again looked at this project and invited for a bit of this mining project. Aditya Birla Group bids Adani Group for the country's largest diamond mine project, won it for 55,000 crores with 50 years of mining lease. As per a report, till January, India's gold and diamond trade contributed approximately 7.5% to India's GDP and 14% of India's total merchandise export. It is sure that it will boost the Indian trade. The gem and jewellery sector is likely to employ approximately of 8.23 million persons by 2022. So I am wholly sure that many people are going to be employed by this project. If the operational works start, then it will be the largest mining project of the country. In this 55,000 crores, the state government will receive 42% of royalty income, that is about 23,000 crore out of 55,000 crores. As every coin has two sides, so let's discuss about what is going to disturb if the project starts. These mines are located in the drought region of the Bundelkhand, and further cutting of trees may lead to severe drought. The trees that are found in the Bakswahar forest are very rare and they are present in that region only. The wildlife present in this region are going to be badly affected, and there is going to be a major impact on the agriculture and the groundwater in the Bundelkhand region. Besides, a lots of protest on different social media networks. A PIL has been filed in National Green Tribunal Bhopal against the diamond mine in Bakswahar. A society from Madhya Pradesh wrote a letter by their blood to Anna Hazare to come into the protest for such a large scale deforestation. Not only the adults, the children are also raising their voices against the Madhya Pradesh government to save the forest. I know that this project is very helpful for the country's progress and development, but we should not forget the role of trees in our life. We should not forget that how people died due to the shortage of oxygen. I remember the words of my Prime Minister that on 3rd March he said that everything should be done to ensure the protection of forest and for the safe habitat of animal. But his silence astonishes me. This picture perhaps demonstrates the whole scenario of the government. It's okay for the mans, but have you all thought about what will happen to the animal that are living there. The condition is such. I am pleading the government to think about the matter again, because